Hey guys, so today I will be reviewing the Happy Birthday Lit Slime. My mom picked this one out because I smelled it at the store and I really liked it, so she got it. So let's try. And she got this for me I think a couple days ago. I don't know. And we're gonna open it. So this is a really good slime brand. And I've never had this scent before. So yeah. Ooh, it looks really pretty. Yeah, it looks really pretty. It's very soft. Oh my god. Look at that. Ick. And then in this bag, I have the rest of my slimes. I have a lot. I like to call this one a unicorn after, oh my god, my hair's in there. Okay. Get out, come on. So, very pretty. It smells amazing. Amazing, amazing. It's very stretchy, very floofy. Good pokes. Don't like it's getting stuck in my nail, but that's okay. And then from one of my other slimes, I have leftover beads, so I think I'm going to add those. This I'm not going to add a lot because they're very messy, and I don't like that they're messy. Okay, that's really cute. I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm dipping it in. Okay. It came from another slime, and that slime I didn't put any in yet. So they're like, are you going to put them in me? It's mine. This slime is one of my favorites. It smells so good. So I'm going to leave that there. And this is a really good slime. Overall, I think I rate it a 9.5. I don't rate it a 10 because it doesn't make bubbles. So here it is. Okay, bye.